Castle Irwell is a rare chance to buy high-quality, freehold, new-build houses in central Manchester. Located just a 15-minute cycle from the city centre, next to the newly approved £2.5 billion regeneration zone, Castle Irwell is an area rich in green spaces, offering an oasis of calm amidst the frenetic buzz of urban life. The natural setting by the River Irwell offers beautiful views and a serene atmosphere, with walking trails, play areas and parks, making this one of the most family-friendly developments on the market today. There are a limited number of 2, 3 and 4 bedroom houses with energy-efficient design, open-plan kitchen diners, French doors, solar panels, a secure car parking space and customisation options to suit individual styles. Prices start from around £288,000, and with completion scheduled for Q4 of this year, you won't have to wait long to take ownership of your new property. For full details, prices, brochure and floor plans, register now with North Property Group.